Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to create Windows 8 bootable pendrive. You will require three things. First is Windows 8 ISO disk image file. Second is Rufus software, and third is a empty pendrive of 8 or more GB in storage. So first we will download Windows 8 ISO file. So open any browser and type Windows 8 ISO and hit on search. Then you have to go official Microsoft's official website, and then you have to slightly scroll down and click on select an edition, and here you have to select Windows 8.1 and hit on confirm. And after few seconds, here we have option to select product language. You can select it according to your convenience. For my convenience, I will select English International and hit on confirm. Now we have two options. First is 32-bit download and second is 64-bit download. If your processor is 32-bit, then you have to download 32-bit ISO file, and if your processor is 64-bit and you want to install 64-bit ISO, then you have to click on 64-bit download, and after clicking we can see here download is started. Now we have downloaded the file, so we will open another tab, and here we have to type Rufus, RUFUS, and we have to click on first website. Then we have to slightly scroll down. Here we have again two options, Windows X 64-bit and Windows X 86. If your operating system is 64-bit, then you have to select Rufus, which is 64-bit, and if your operating system is 32-bit, then you have to select x86. Now my operating system is 64-bit, so I will select 64-bit setup. I will click on Rufus 4.5.exe. Then we have to cut it. Now we can see our setup installation is initiated, so we have to click minimize, and here we have to go Windows Explorer, and then we have to go in that folder in which downloaded things are placed. So usually it is placed in download folder, so we'll click on this, and here we can see our ISO file has been installed and Rufus software is also installed. So we will click on Rufus to open it. Then after that we can see it is open, and we have to insert our pen drive. Once we insert our pen drive, then we can easily see it in device option. Now we have to select ISO file, so we will go in that folder where we have downloaded our ISO file. So I have downloaded in downloads folder, so I will click on this and select Windows 8.1, and here we can see open option, so we will select on that, and here we can see red is available, so our ISO is ready to become bootable. So we have to click on start. We don't have to change any setting. Here it is warning that all data on device will be destroyed, so that's why I said pen drive should be empty. Now we will click OK here, and after clicking OK, all the data will be destroyed. Here we can see our process has been initiated, so we have to slightly wait for it. Almost 7-8 minutes it will take, so we have to wait for that. Here after 7 minutes 48 seconds, we can see that our bootable pen drive is ready. Here we can see ready in green bar, it means our pen drive is ready. Now we can use it for our clean installation of Windows 8. And here we don't have to do anything else, so we can just click on close, and after that we can eject our pen drive safely and use it for Windows installation.